Hey everybody, my name is Jake Wallace and I'm a member of the marketing team for Trimble Transportation. When it comes to how Trimble serves the transportation industry, it isn't only about our products and technology, we're also very focused on how we support our customers in their day-to-day operations and partner with them to get the most out of our solutions. To discuss how we're dedicated to enhancing the customer experience, including for fleets like yours, I'm fortunate to be joined by Jason Shaw, who's Vice President of the Services and Support Organization at Trimble Transportation.
Hey Jake.
To get started, Jason, for those who may not know you, could you give us a little bit of background on your time at Trimble and also what you're focused on in your current role?
Yeah, sure, yeah. I've been with Trimble about 15 years. My first role was a professional services consultant, traveling to customer sites to help them with utilizing our solution to meet their business needs. I then transitioned to lead our tailored solutions team, responsible for our customized solutions in the cab and back office reporting. I've been in my current role for a couple of years now, responsible for we'll call it the post-sale experience with teams like professional services, integration, customer success, and our technical support teams.
So getting into that a little bit more, Trimble's obviously a technology provider, but an essential part of our business is the service and support we provide our customers. So what are some of the ways your team is enhancing the customer experience?
Yeah, let me walk through each of the groups to provide some examples of what we're working on. Professional services, so working hard to reduce, we'll call it the time to value for our customers, meaning processes, pre-work, self-guided activities to get customers up and running as fast as possible. But it's not just about speed to going live, but ensuring customers have the solution installed and configured to the point that's really meeting their business needs. We move into our integration team, making things work better together. From our own back office TMS systems, TruckMate, TMW Suite, or Innovative, to any of our over 100 plus integration partners, making sure the data is flowing. Things like dispatch workflows or EDVR data or our log monitoring partners, all of these integrations increase the return on investment our customers receive when integrated. Then we move into our customer success team. This team works with our customers as our conduit into the halls of Trimble, right? Making sure customers are using our solutions to the best of their abilities, and we're driving towards solving the identified business needs. Additionally, the customer success team can help coordinate the right resource for the right task, projects, billing inquiries, integration needs. They can get the right Trimble resource engaged. And the last group I'll touch on is technical support. This is our 24/7 team that's here to answer any questions or help with any challenge. This team receives contacts through phone, email, or chat. There to help ensure that we understand the business needs. We work with customers to build out ongoing training to help our team walk in your shoes.
That's great, and they each have kind of a unique focus on enhancing the customer experience. I'm curious, when we think about customers throughout their entire journey, from the moment they select our technology to begin implementing it to ultimately using it for months or years, how do we support them throughout the entirety of that journey?
Yeah, so your customer journey can take many different directions based upon your destination. From the minute you sign an agreement or a new project, the team is here to walk alongside your team, making sure we check all the boxes needed to optimize your environment. We're prepared to help as your business grows and evolves. So sometimes a regular checkup or tune-up may be needed, and this is all part of the business and systems journey.
So from an industry standpoint, an important milestone was the electronic logging device mandate that went into effect in December 2019 in the US. There's a similar mandate that's going to go into effect in Canada next year. When we think about the changing regulatory landscape, how do we help customers navigate those changes and use technology to remain compliant?
We're focused on ensuring the success of our customers and their drivers. So for ELD specifically, this means empowering customers with information to help them understand the changing regulations and how Trimble technology can help support their fleet's continued compliance. So, during the migration to ELDs in the US back, in 2019, this included a wide range of training materials where content on the ELD mandate rule set and how to migrate, guides on ensuring the success of their or your drivers and back office personnel once they implemented ELDs. We also conducted training such as webinars to help customers fully understand how to navigate kind of that move to ELD. In the time since the deadline, this focus has continued, including further enhancing our ELD platform to meet the needs of our customers, as well as taking into account new hours service rule changes introduced by the FMCSA since December 2019, such as short haul exemption, split sleeper berth, 30-minute rest breaks. So we're following a similar approach with respect to the Canadian ELD mandate, helping customers subject to this rule know how to successfully make that switch and use the transition to ELDs as a chance to streamline their connectivity across their business. I think it's important to note that Trimble was the first major fleet management vendor to gain compliance with Canada's ELD, and this certification was the result of close collaboration with a third-party certification body, and we can give our customers the confidence in knowing that Trimble's solution fully complies with the technical requirements of the rule.
If there was one thing that you wanted customers to know about your team and our dedication to them, what would it be?
We're here 24/7, 365 to help meet your business goals. We want to partner and help you on board, configure, and utilize your Trimble solution in a manner that works for you.
Thinking a little bit more long-term, Trimble's strategy is to enable maximized resource utilization and freight coverage at the best possible value. I'm curious, where do our carrier customers and their drivers fit into this strategy?
Yeah. Trimble provides you a reliable and scalable solution that you can use with your customers to communicate status of their freight, right? We're empowering the driver to efficiently complete tasks required to move freight while meeting regulatory compliance requirements. We connect back office planning to the physical truck and driver via workflows that culminate in delivering and billing out. We create and connect that data that underpins our solutions, such as asset and driver telemetry for carrier TMS systems, maintenance, and routing and navigation solutions. We provide insights into the move workflow that can exonerate the carrier in the event of an incident and mitigate their risk of a safety or compliance event. All of these components are integral to a collaborative and connected supply chain.
Wonderful. Thanks for the time today, Jason. And thank you for listening in on our discussion. If you have any questions about what we talked about today, feel free to drop us a note at transportation@trimble.com.